Hello friends, welcome back to my review channel. Some love stories begin with soft words. Alia and Sihan's story began with pain, distance, pride, and impossible responsibilities. That is why their relationship feels different. It is not sweet in the usual way. It is heavy, wounded, and dangerous. Every time they come close, the word time they come close and the every word pulls them apart. Every time they try to stay silent, their eyes reveal what their mouths cannot say. Now, with Alia and the child in danger they love is facing its biggest test. Sihan has always protected Alia with action, not words. He does not easily confess, he does not easily open his heart, but every decision he makes shows where his loyalty truly lies. Alia, on the other hand, is not a woman who wants to be saved like a helpless person. She wants respect, she wants freedom, she wants to protect her child without becoming someone else's prisoner. This is why their love is complicated. Sihan's protection can sometimes feel like control. Alia's independence can sometimes look like distance, but deep down, both are fighting from the same place fear of losing what matters. Latest episode may force them to face the truth. When his life becomes uncertain, pride becomes unless. If Sihan reaches Zalia, will he finally say what he has kept hidden? If Alia sees how far Sihan is willing to go, will she finally understand the depth of his feeling? Or will this danger create an even bigger than wall between them? The most emotional part is that their love is not safe. It exists inside a world where every feeling becomes a weapon. Their enemies can see what they mean to each other. That means love is no longer private, it has become part of the war. In Isaac Sahir, love does not arrive gently, it arrives like a storm. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates.